Hi there! We're very close to our goal to make our first web page. To do this, we just need a couple of small steps. The first step is to install a text editor. There are a lot of text editors, many more than you can see here on the list. However, these four are the most commonly used. All text editors differ mainly in terms of their functionality and the platform they can work on. For example, Notepad++ works only on Windows. Sublime Text works on Windows, OS X, and Linux. So we will be using Sublime Text in this course. First, let's see how we can download and install Sublime Text. We have to open the browser. Then we go to the website sublimetext.com. Then we go to the menu at the top and click Download. Among the links below, choose the one that works for your computer. I'm going to choose OS X because my computer works on OS X. Now we are waiting for the file to download. When the file is downloaded, we just open it. And again, we have to wait a couple seconds. When a window like this opens, we have to drag the Sublime Text to the Applications folder. And again, we have to wait a bit. And when we open the Applications folder, then we see that the file Sublime Text is there. We have to drag it here so that we can quickly access this program. Now, to open Sublime Text, we click Open. Congratulations! We have taken the first step. Sublime Text has been installed. The second step is to install a browser. There are many different browsers, but the top 5 are the ones that you can see on the screen: Safari, Opera, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Explorer. So a good web developer should have as many browsers installed as possible. But for our purposes, it's sufficient to just have Chrome. In our course, we will use Chrome. If you already have Chrome installed, then you can move on to the next video. If not, then let's see how we can download and install it. So let's go back to the browser. And in the search field, we have to type Chrome. Then we click this link. Click Download Chrome. And then Accept and Install. And again, we are waiting for the file to download. As you see, it takes just a couple of seconds. We open the downloaded file, and then we wait a couple more seconds. And now we see this window, and we have to drag Google Chrome to the Applications folder. Okay, it's copying. And that's it. Chrome has been installed. We drag it down here for quick access. Then we open Chrome. And we see it is open. That means that the browser has been successfully installed. Congratulations! So now we can focus on our education. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.